Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing problem number 1 on regression. Welcome back friends. Let us discuss the first problem on regression. We need to find a regression of line y on x and x on y from the following data. Also find coefficient of correlation and find y when x equal to 30 and find x when y equal to 30. So this is the given problem and a lot of things asked to find out. So let us do it. First of all, if you observe these values are correlation type number 2 problem number 2. You can go back and check the table. Correlation type number 2 problem number 2, exactly same values. So why to waste time? I've directly copied down the values from type number 2 problem number 2. If you have any problem how to make this table, you can go back and check. So we are ready with the table. Let us move on. First of all, we need to find it out the regression of line y on x and x on y from the following data. So regression of line y on x is, actually it should be in the format y is equal to mx plus c. So y minus y bar is equal to byx, x minus x bar. So this is your regression of line y on x, and the next regression of line x on y is actually in this format x equal to my plus c, that is x minus x bar bxy y minus y bar. So this is your regression of line x on y. So for finding regression of line y on x and x on y, we need to find it out byx and bxy. So first of all, let us find it out byx, and what is the formula? Summation dx dy minus summation dx summation dy upon n upon no square root, and the second character is x, so therefore it will be summation dx square minus summation dx the whole square upon n. And likewise we have formula for bxy also. That is summation dx dy minus summation dx summation dy upon n upon the second character is y, therefore summation dy square minus summation dy the whole square upon n. So we're going to put in this formula to get the result. Summation dx dy, see here, that is 178 minus summation dx summation dy. Summation dx is basically 1 and summation dy is minus 3, so that is 1 minus 3 upon n. N means total number of values, that is 10, upon summation dx square. Summation dx square we already have 203 minus summation dx the whole square. So summation dx is 1 upon n, and likewise we're going to put here numerator is same in the formula, so numerator will be same upon, in the denominator is summation dy square, that is 159 minus summation dy, that is minus 3 the whole square upon 10. Now no other option, you need to put in calculator and you need to get the value of byx and bxy. Byx you will get it as 0.87, please try doing it, and bxy you will get it as 1.12. so this is your byx and this is your bxy. So let us put these values back to this equation so that we'll get regression of line y on x and x on y. First of all, there is a confusion, general confusion in students' mind, and the confusion is, see here, this x bar and y bar are assumed x bar and y bar, and detailed explanation, this x bar, this y bar, both are assumed, and detailed explanation is given in type number 2 problem number 2. Go back and check. But here this x bar and this y bar in this formula, this one, this one, this one, this one are actual, they are not assumed. Please make a note of that, this is very important. this is your assume, this is your actual. So for finding this, for making this particular table, you took x bar as 31 and y bar as 26. But while putting the values in this particular formula, please take x bar and y bar original values, not assume. That means instead of y bar, please don't take 26 that we took here. Please don't take 31 in place of x bar that we took here. We're gonna find out, we're gonna take the actual values. So what are the actual values? Here the actual x bar and y bar values are 31.1 and 25.7. Please go back and check. This we have already calculated in detail. X bar is, how to find x bar, that is 31.1 and y bar is 25.7. These are the actual values. And how we got that values? In type number 2, problem number 2, x bar means summation of x upon n and y bar is summation of y upon n. So these values we're gonna use here. So that is y minus y bar. Y bar I'm going to use 25.7, not 26. It should be very clear. Byx we got it as 0.87. X minus x bar, that is 31.1. Now we need to simplify, and if you want regression of line y on x, your answer should be in this format: y is equal to mx plus c. So here y is equal to, this will be multiplied inside, so that is 0.87x. Now it's a calculation only, and then 0.87 will be multiplied to 31.1. Please do it. 0.87 into 31.1, and this will be a negative number because it is minus, and this minus 25.7 will go to that side and will become plus 25.7. So this is plus 25.7 to that side, and this into this will be minus. So if you adjust plus and minus, you will get it as minus 1.457. Please check. Please check. This into this, and this is minus, and this will go to that side and will become plus. Next, x minus x bar 31.1, bxy is 1.12, y minus y bar is 25.7. Again calculation. So x equal to, this will go to that side and will become plus, and this into this will become minus. So if you perform this calculation, you will get 1.12y plus 2.428. So this is your regression of line x on y. See, this is in the format x is equal to my plus c. Next, so two things we're done with it. What else needs to find out? Let us check. Also find y when x equal to 30 and find x when y equal to 30. Just wait. See, it's a master question and we are trying to cover a lot of things, but in the exam generally so many things doesn't come. If data is given, listen to me very carefully. If data is given, let's say this is the data given, and it is directly asked to find y when x equal to 30. What I'm saying, data is given and it is asked to find y when x equal to 30. See here, it's directly asked to find y when x equal to 30. If this is the case, you have two options. What are the two options that you have? Finding regression of line y on x, or the second option is finding regression of line x on y. If y is asked and x is given, please tell me what you gonna find it out, regression of line x on y or y on x. Both are different. Yes, please say this. You need to find y and x is given, that means y is equal to mx plus c. It's very simple. You need to find y and x is given. If this is the case, you need to find a regression of line y on x. Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. And what is the note? If y is asked and x is given, then we need to find a regression of line y on x. Let us take the other case. For example, suppose y is given and we need to find it out x. Suppose y is given and we need to find it out x. So we need to find x and y is given. So that is this. So y we're gonna put here and we're gonna get the value of x. That means if y is given and we need to find it out x, so simply it is a regression of line x on y. So please make a note of it, because in this problem lot of things are given and the question is straightforward. But if data is given and y is given and you need to find out x, then you need to understand, first of all we need to find out regression of line y on x, and after that if I'll put the value of x, then I'm going to get the value of y. So this picture should be clear in your mind. Okay, so let us move on and let us discuss what is given further. Find y when x equal to 30. So find y when x equal to 30. So here x is 30 given. So if I'll put x, I'll get the value of y. Next, and find x when y equal to 30. So if I'll put y is equal to 30, I'm going to get x equal to. Please pause this video and calculate and tell me what is the value of y when x equal to 30. It's 24.643. Please try doing it. And what is the value of y x when y is equal to 30? It's 36.028. Please do it in calculator, you'll get the answer. If you want to verify, you can verify. See here, x equal to 30, y is equal to this. See here, at x equal to 30, y is equal to 25. So obviously this is closer to 25, approximately 25. Will not get the correct exact figure because the answer is in points, but yes, we are almost right. At y is equal to 30, x is 36.028. See here, at y30, x is 36 points. So we are nearer to it. What is next to ask? Also find coefficient of correlation. So what is the formula for finding coefficient of correlation? We don't have much space, so we need to adjust somewhere. So let us adjust here. Please cooperate. See, what is the formula? So that's it. So if I'll put root of bxy and byx, so the values are 0.87 into 1.12. Please try doing it. You will get the value of r is equal to 0.98. So we didn't have space, therefore I have adjusted. Please cooperate. So that's it. It's a master question, lot of things asked. Nothing much to understand. It's just a manual calculation, so calculation should be correct to get the answer. Hope you understood. Practice well. Thank you.